Hey my love, welcome to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to share you this makeup look right here which I have created specially for the Eid, and I maintained the look using all the pink color, and you can see that it's a monochrome pink makeup look. So if you are new here, consider subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to click the like button as well. So let's get started with today's video. So first I'm going to start off with using the Gerard Cosmetics eligiblur primer, and I'm going to spread it in the nose area, especially in my T-zone area. After that I will be mixing these two foundations, that is the Nykaa Skingenious foundation and as well as the Loreal Pro Matte 24-hour long lasting foundation. First I'll be using them in the dotted motion in my face, and next I'll be blending it out with the Forever 21 makeup sponge. And next I'll be using this Maybelline concealer. This is the Age Rewind concealer, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes to hide my dark circles and dark patches around my mouth area. Again I'm going to blend it with the same makeup sponge which I have used for blending my foundation. I'm going to set the base using the Gerard Cosmetics Powder Play Banana Compact, and I'm going to use it in the areas which I have covered with concealers. I'm going to use the Absolute New York contour palette. First I'm going to apply it to the hollows of my cheeks so that your face looks so chiseled and beautiful, and also I am going to contour my nose with a blending brush as well. Next I'm going to outline the contour line and applying some blush from Makeup Obsession into my cheeks to give the color to my cheeks. Now we are done with the base makeup. Now move on to the eyes. I'll be using this Benefit Brow Pencil. It's in the shade 05. All the shade names will be in the bottom bar, so make sure to check it out. So for the eyeshadow I'm going to use this Nicka K eyeshadow palette, and it's in the shade Sugar Plum, and taking this peachy pinky shade and applying this to the outer corner as well as in my crease. Taking this dark pink shade I'm going to apply it on my lid as well, and from the Birthday Cake palette from the Nicka K I'm taking this lilac violet shade and applying it to my lid as well as blending it to the crease, and then again applying it to the lower lash line to give a flush of color. I'm going to tightline my lower waterline with the K by Katrina 24-hour long lasting kajal. It's very good and very handy and so black. I'm going to smudge it up with a little smudger brush. I'm going to apply the Nykaa Beauty long lasting gel eyeliner in my lash line. It's very close, and then I'm going to blend it to give that smoky effect to my eyeliner. Also extending it up so that it creates a very beautiful wing liner look. I'm going to complete my eye makeup with applying some mascara from Wet n Wild Voluminous Mascara, applying 2 to 3 coats to my upper lashes as well as lower lashes, and I just gave a quick shower of the Gerard Cosmetics setting spray and applying this Nykaa Beauty Glow Getter highlighter to my cheekbones. I'm applying it to the highest point of my face, like my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, as well as my nose bridge and little bit on the chin area. I'm using the same highlighter to highlight my brow bone of both the eyes as well as inner corners. And next I'm going to apply the Gerard Cosmetics matte lipstick. These are the Transferproof lipstick in the shade Daft Pink. If you have not seen the reviews and swatches of this lipstick, make sure to check it out. It will be in the description bar. And here is my final Eid makeup look. This look is so versatile and so flattering in every skin tone. Do try it out in this Eid, and if you guys like this makeup tutorial, make sure to give this video a good fat thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to check the description bar for all the details, and do follow me in my social media. I would love to see your recreation. With that note, this is me Debadrita signing off. Bye bye, take care.